Hello students, welcome to STV online classes. Shweta Saxena here. In our previous video, we have done what comes after. Today we are going to learn what comes in between. Let's start our class. First we will revise what comes after again. What is this? Number 3. What comes after 3? Start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 3? 4. 1, 5, 15. What comes after 15? Start counting from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 6, 16. Next, 22. 2 to 22. What comes after 22? Start counting from 21. 21, 22, 23. 40, 40. What comes after 40? 41. Next, 36. 36, 36. Start counting from 31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. What comes after 36? 37. 43, 43. What comes after 43? Start counting from 41. 41, 42, 43, 44. What comes after 43? 44. 1, 3, 13. What comes after 13? Start counting from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 4, 14. 49. Start counting from 41. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. What comes after 49? 50, 50. Students, today we will do what comes in between numbers 1 to 50. Look at the number. What is this? 2. And this is 4. What come in between the two numbers? What comes after 2? Start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What comes in between 2 and 4? 3. Now 1, 6, 16 and 1, 8, 18. What comes in between the two numbers? What comes after 16? Start counting from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. What comes in between 16 and 18? 17. 2, 4, 24. 2, 6, 26. What comes in between 24 and 26? Start counting from 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What comes in between 24 and 26? 25. 3, 6, 36. 3, 8, 38. What comes in between 36 and 38? Start counting from 31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. What come in between 36 and 38? 37. Now 3, 1, 31 and 3, 3, 33. What come in between 31 and 33? Start counting from 31. 31, 30, 2. 33. What comes in between 31 and 33? 32. 4, 6, 46. 4, 8, 48. What comes between 46 and 48? Start counting from 41. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. What come in between 46 and 48? 47. Now 1, 1, 11. Start counting from 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. What comes in between 11 and 13? 1, 2, 12. 11, 12, 13. 48. 50, 50. What comes in between 48 and 50? Start counting from 41. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. What comes in between 48 and 50? 49. Now let's revise again. What comes in between 2 and 4? 3. 2, 3, 4. What comes in between 16 and 18? 17. 16, 17, 18. What come in between 24 and 26? 25. 24, 25, 26. What comes in between 36 and 38? 37. 36, 37, 38. What come in between 31 and 33? 32. 31, 32, 33. What comes in between 46 and 48? 47. 46, 47, 48. What come in between 11 and 13? 1 to 12. 11, 12, 13. What comes in between 48 and 50? 49. 48, 49, 50. Let's do some more exercise related to between. 96. Start counting from 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 96, 97, 98. 4, 4, 44, 4, 6, 46. What comes in between? Count from 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. What comes between 44 and 46? 45. 30, 30. What comes in between 30 and 32? 30, 31. 28 and 30, 30. What come in between 28 and 30? Start counting from 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What comes in between 28 and 30? 29. 3, 6, 36, 3, 8, 38. What comes in between 36 and 38? Start counting from 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37, 38. Now 56 and 58. What comes after 56? Start counting from 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. 58. What come in between 56 and 58? 57. 40, 40. 42, 42. What comes in between? 40, 41. What comes in between? 41. 40, 41, 42. 55. What comes after 55 and before 57? Start counting from 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. What comes in between 55 and 57? 56. 4, 3, 43, 4, 5, 45. What comes in between 43 and 45? Start counting from 41, 41, 42, 43, 44. What comes in between 43 and 45? 44. Now 32 and 34. What comes in between 32 and 34? Start counting from 31, 31, 32, 33. What comes in between 32 and 34? 33. Now students, we have learned what comes in between. Do practice for it. Thank you. Have a nice day.